So hello traders, this is Bank Nifty's chart and this is Nifty's charts. Let's begin with the Bank Nifty's chart. Before taking entry, before explaining any entry and exit in Nifty Bank chart, let us understand this gap. Okay, this gap is very important. So let us mark this gap, guys, because gap borders plays a very important role. Okay, so this was the entry in Nifty Bank chart, guys. This was the entry. Okay, this was the entry. You should keep your stop loss here and you should book your profit over here. This was the one entry which I found in Nifty Bank, and second entry was here based on 20 EMA support. When after this confirmation, you can take the second entry. You can take your entry over here. You can keep your profit below the candle and book your profit over here. You can look once you take the entry. Once you take the entry here, okay, market closed here, but then too market next day came here. So I don't suggest this types of entry because I am an intraday traders. I suggest to all intraday traders that don't hold the calls. Okay, so I only found this entry was here, take profit was here, and stop loss was here. This was the one entry. Okay, on what basis I took the entry is that market gave such a big bearish candle. Okay, if you take any entry here, your stop loss should have some support. Okay, so this is this support. Okay, this is the support for your stop loss. Even though if after this red candle Bank Nifty makes some green candle, this line will make sure that price goes down. Okay, so this was the entry which I found. Okay, next entry was next day market opened with the gap up with a big bullish candle. So here we should not take the entry. Taking entry here is very wrong. This is not the proper setup. You should always make sure you should wait for the price to come down. So entry was here on this candle. Okay, entry was here. You should take your entry here. Just a minute. Okay, you should take your entry here, and secondly, you cannot book your profit over here. Okay, you should book your profit on the day's high. Okay, over here. So your entry was here, your take profit was here, your stop loss was here. This was the good entry which I found. And secondly, when day's high was retraced, okay, you can see this Bank Nifty goes up, came down, again goes up, okay, made some breakout, but this was the fake breakout, and again came down, faced some consolidation, then again collapse. Okay, so here you can take the entry again. Okay, short entry at the day's high. Take entry here, take your profit over here on the CPR, and keep your stop loss above the entry candle. So this was again the right entry. Okay, in this the one entry was here, second entry was here. Okay, so as per the setup, you book your one entry here, second here, and third here. Okay, on 22nd December Bank Nifty was in totally consolidation phase. So let us make this gap border exceed. Okay, let us exceed this gap borders. Okay, this is gap borders which I have said you guys. This is the gap between 17th of December on 20th of December. 17th of December this was the low, and on 20th of December this was the high. So this is the gap borders. This is the gap between previous day low and 20th of December day high. Okay, so let us make this gap ahead. Okay, so on this day on 22nd December market was totally in the sideways. Okay, throughout the day I only found one entry. How? Whenever you found any consolidation, whenever you found that within the 1 hour of the market was totally on the sideways zone, mark the box of 1 hour. Mark the box of 1 hour. This is 9:15. Okay, this is 9:15, and mark the box of 10:15. Okay, that is totally over here, something else. Okay, this was the low. Okay, this was the low which I found, because this low have support of CPR. Okay, so mark this box. Okay, and secondly, once the box comes here, okay, once the box comes here, confirm this entry, take entry over here, book your profit at day's high. You can see that how wonderfully it came to the day's high. Okay, it didn't came down, it currently far away goes on this. Okay, so this was the right entry which I found on 22nd of December 2021. On 23rd December, market opened with the bearish candle. It make a gap up but make a bearish candle. So this was not the entry, proper entry for the short, guys. This was not the proper entry. So you should wait for the confirmation. You should wait for the confirmation. Okay, this was the entry to take. Okay, your entry was here. Your entry was here. Your profit at day's high here, and your stop loss was here. So small stop loss. Keeping stop loss over here and booking your profit here was very nice entry for you. Okay, so this was only the entry which I found throughout the day. So only one entry in Bank Nifty throughout the day, but it was very good entry, guys. You have almost taken the entry was at 35,100 and your take profit was 34,000 or 35,300 below. Okay, so you have almost booked 250 points in index, so it will be around 100 points in your strike price, might be. Yep. On 24th December, that is Friday, Bank Nifty opened on the sideways zone but made a big bearish candle. Okay, on this candle we cannot short on the first candle, even though the CPR was so narrow. Okay, we cannot take first entry, short entry, as that was previous day low support. Okay, so you must always wait for confirmation. You should wait for the confirmation. And secondly, you should always make sure that is there any virgin CPR on the previous day. Is there any virgin CPR? Yes, there are two virgin CPR on the previous day. So shorting opportunity in Bank Nifty was very risky. Shorting opportunity in Bank Nifty was very risky. Yes, guys. Why? Because CPR act as a very critical support for Nifty and Bank Nifty. If they are below the current day CPR, they act as a support, and if they are above the current day CPR, they act as a resistance. Okay, so shorting here was also a wrong entry. Okay, yes, going long on this way, on this consolidation was good entry. Okay, going long on this any of the candles was very long, very good entry. Going any of the long position over here and keeping your stop loss below the virgin CPR and take profit at previous day high. Okay, previous day low, that is. Okay, or current day CPR. Okay, this is the entry which I found that this is good entries. Okay, going long opportunity over here, you can also go long over here. Okay, but the problem will be your stop loss will be so big. Okay, in trading you should always make sure that your stop loss should be smaller and your target will be bigger. Okay, so entering here was good entry. Okay, and always make sure that your entry should be at bottom. Okay, middle of the CPR, that is middle of the CPR, and this is the middle of the CPR. Okay, so entry was here, entry was here, entry was here. Okay, you cannot take this such entries like this. Okay, entry here was very good opportunity over in Nifty Bank. Okay, let us come to the Bank Nifty chart. Okay, and now understand where is the entry and exit in Nifty Bank. So this is the chart of Nifty, guys. So this, okay, from 20th December 2021 and 25th December we will study where was the entry and exit all over the day. Okay, this is Nifty 50s chart, guys. Before explaining any entry and exit throughout the day, please let us mark this gap borders. Okay, because gap borders plays a very important role. What is gap, guys? Gaps are previous day low and current day high. This is previous day low and this is current day's high. So this is the gap borders. Okay, so on this day, on 20th December, okay, I found this entry over here. Okay, entering here was a good opportunity and booking profit over here is very good opportunity. Taking entry and booking profit this much and taking a risk of this much is very good entry. perfect risk reward ratio of 1:2. Entry here, keep your stop loss on this middle of the candle and book your profit on the next pivot is the very good entry. And yes, this was only the entry which I found. So there was only one entry in Nifty 50's chart. Okay, let us understand the next entry. What was the entry and exit on 21st December? Okay, on 21st December, market opened with the gap up, but made a bearish candle. So this was not the entry to go long. Okay, before that, look on the CPR. Very trending CPR. Okay, very narrow CPR. Soon I will be making a video on this CPR too, guys. So let us ignore this first. Okay. We cannot go short or long on the based on first candle because there was no confirmation. The price can go up, the price can go down. There was no confirmation. So you should always wait for confirmation. And when you got the confirmation, when day's low came, okay, made a big bearish, made a candle. Okay, even though this is red candle, but also it is known as a bullish candle. Okay, so it went up, it came down. Okay, the price came down and made a confirmation over here. Okay, at day's low, current day's low. Okay, entering here was good entry, taking your profit at current day's high and keeping your stop loss below the entry candle was very good entry. So entering here, take profit here and keep your stop loss below the entry candle was very good entry, guys. You can see the move. Okay, so within 5 to 10 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes you got your profit. Okay, and after that I didn't found any entries. Okay, yes, after that market can go up. This was the nice entry as per the system. When previous day high is broken, this is the nice entry. Okay, but reason that Nifty 50 doesn't go up was this gap. Okay, this gap. As I always say you guys, gap borders plays a very important role. Even though Nifty Bank came inside the gap, but this is also the border. This is also the border. This is the top border of the gap. This is the bottom border of the gap. It even though crossed the bottom border of the gap, okay, the top border is also important. So in this it is in the consolidation base. Yes, if Nifty made a breakout over here, we can go long and book our profit at next pivot. But the problem was it broken the bottom border of the gap. Okay, so we cannot go long over here. So there was no entry at this point. Okay, yes, even though if there was no gap, this is the proper entry. Okay, but there is a gap and it broken between the gap, so there is no entry over here. Okay, I found only one entry over here. Okay, so it made a good profit to you guys. Okay, now exceed the gap, guys. Exceeding the gap. Okay, fine, sure. So on this day, guys, there was total huge consolidation. Look at the consolidation, guys. No big movements. Okay, no big movements. Bank Nifty opened with a bullish candle. Okay, made candle first, bearish candle, then some consolidation, then again drop, then again some consolidation, then again drop, then again consolidation. So on this consolidation range, many of the retail traders, many of the novice traders, they lose their money. How they lose their money? They go long while looking on the first candle of the Nifty Bank, whatever they trade. Okay, they go long looking at the first candle, and what they wait, they will wait for the big move. Okay, but what happens? Nifty Bank suddenly crash, suddenly goes down, and they faces losses. And when they exit, the big traders make their money, and again Nifty Bank go up. They think the Nifty Bank is going up, I will go long again. They go long again. Okay, again some consolidate, again some fall, and this is the way the retail traders lose their money on the sideways. So best way to trade in sideways is, guys, you should wait for the consolidation. Okay, so this is the box of 1 hour, guys. So I found going short here, take your profit here. Going long here, take your profit here. This is the right setup to trade in such sideways zone. Okay, soon I will be making some videos how to trade in sideways zone, but yes, take short knowledge on this, that whenever there is a sideways zone, okay, mark 1 hour box, okay, and take accordingly. This is 1 hour box, guys, okay. Going short here is very good entry. Taking profit at current day's lows is very good entry. Going long again on this entry, okay, and taking a profit at current day high is a good entry, okay. So this type of entry you should wait for, okay, guys. So let us come to 23rd December. So where was the entry, where was the exit, okay. On 23rd December, market gave a big bearish candle but crossed the gap, okay. It crossed the gap, okay. As per the system, where was the entry and exit? Let us study, guys, okay. Okay, even though market opened with a red candle, okay, it doesn't mean that you should go short. You should wait for the confirmation, okay. Just a minute, okay, fine, okay. Even though the market open with a big red candle, you should not go short, okay. You should wait for some confirmation, okay. You can take your entry over here. Once this red candle was broken, okay. This is amongst one of my best pattern. When this red candle was broken, you can go long on this entry, take your profit over here and keep your stop loss below the candle. This was the right entry which I found, but reason your stop loss hit, okay. In trading, especially in day trading, it always works that whenever you take any trade, there is no advisory company, there are no person who will give you 100% returns, okay, on 100% research of calls. Each trade consists of 50%. Either your target will hit, either stop loss will hit. If any of the company, if they say that we provide 95% accuracy, we provide 100% accuracy and everything, why they are not the big bull of India, okay. Why they are taking premium from us, okay. According to me, guys, you always win with 50% win rate, okay. 50% win rate, right? Either your target will hit, either your stop loss will hit, okay. So this is only the perfect way I always used to take entry, and I always used to give entries, okay. Because trading is a psychology where either you will take your profit or you will take your losses. As this was the very nice entry, okay. This is known as a stop loss hunting trade. This is one of my favorite pattern, okay. Entering here was very good entry. Taking your profit here and keeping your stop loss below the entry candle was very good entry. Perfect risk reward ratio. But our stop loss hit, not an issue, guys, because in trading everything is okay. If you take profit, you should always be happy with your stop loss also, okay. You should not be we should not take any emotion towards your money, okay. So it's okay, fine, if your stop loss hit, it's okay, not an issue, okay. Secondly, the entry was here. You can go short on this entry, okay, and book your profit at current day low over here or something else, okay. This is the right entry to take, okay. Going short here and taking your profit here is good entry, okay. So even though your trade fails here, you can book your profit here, okay. So on 23rd December, one trade one failed trades, okay, and second it works. So this is how trading perform, guys, okay. So let us come to the 24th December, guys. This is 24th December 2021. Let us exit this gap borders, guys, okay. Now the gap is filled, guys, so no need to mark this gap, so ignore this, okay. Okay, fine, okay. Let us come to 24th December 2021, okay. Market open with a big bearish candle, market open with a flat movement but made a big bearish candle, okay. And Virgin CPR is also very narrow, so it means that market will be in the trend zone, okay. Before taking an entry, you should always make sure that is there any previous day Virgin CPR. Yes, there are two Virgin CPR, guys, okay. Let us mark on this Virgin CPR, okay. We should also mark this Virgin CPR too. There are two Virgin CPRs, to support at bottom, okay. Okay, on this day guys, market opened with a big bearish candle, came down 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 all the way. Once this previous day low is broken, you can take your you can take a short entry over here. Okay, you can take a short entry over here, keep stop loss above the entry candle and take profit at Virgin CPR somewhere else here. Okay, so this is the right entry which I found guys, taking entry here when previous day low is broken. When previous day low is broken and booking a profit over here is a nice entry. Second entry was here. Second entry was here when you when you took entry at bottom of the CPR, middle of the CPR, Virgin CPR. Second entry was here. Look, if you take entry over here, okay, if you take entry over here, keep stop loss below the Virgin CPR and take profit at current day CPR. Nice ratio. Look how wonderfully it went up. Okay, even though it took time, but it's very wonderfully moved from Nifty 50s. Okay, so these types of patterns always work guys. These are the best patterns, and these are not introduced by me, but yes, every big traders, every big pro traders who always used to trade in Nifty and Nifty Bank, they use these patterns.